Hello everybody, my name is Dan from Classic Film Photography by Dan, and today I'm going to show you how to load a Kodak Signet 40 35mm rangefinder camera. This camera was made by Eastman Kodak Company from 1956 to 1959. And before I show how to load, I want to show some features of the camera. Here is your focusing, and it focuses from 2 feet to infinity. The shutter speed goes from the bulb setting up to 1/400th of a second. So in order to set the shutter, you would move on the lens here, this dial, and the aperture goes from f3.5 to f22, and to select your aperture you would just push this either way. And then to cock the shutter, you would push this down, and then when you're ready to take the photo, you would snap it. So let me show you how to load the film in this. Okay, on the side of the camera, you would just push this down and the back would open up. Now on the top here is your winding to rewind your film. So with your thumb, you just push this up. Okay, so I'm going to place my film in here. Make sure that you push down your film. Make sure it snaps into place. Okay, now the tricky part is you want to make sure that you could grab your film onto this. So if it's not in place, you could just keep winding until you see this barrel part. And then what you want to do is you want to get it over that you could get a sprocket on. I just have to push it in there just a little bit. Okay, so you may want to hold your film down and just wind it. Now see how it goes? Now it caught on. So you just want to make sure it goes at least 1 revolution. Okay, so when you're done, you want to close your lid. Now on the bottom here, there is a rewind or a winder button for your rewind. You want to hold that, and then you want to click, and then click it 3 times, and you'll see it'll catch. So they recommend that you do this 3 times, but if you put it on the barrel once and you click it over 3 times, it will catch, and you can actually gain some extra exposures. So right here is your film counter. Now this is a 24 exposure roll. Where that arrow, you'll see there's an arrow right here. You want to move your arrow. You want to move the counter. Now back then they only had 20 and 36 exposures. But you want to move your arrow until you get to 24, which right about here. Okay. If you have 36 exposures in the manual, you put the lever to 0. Well, I hope this answers any questions you have about the camera. Please feel free to leave any comments or questions, and thank you for watching.